Today we want to discuss about mass of Earth. Mass of Earth. By the help of Newton's law of gravitation. Everybody should know Earth attracts the body always towards its center. Let's suppose Earth is a one body. It's just supposed to be Earth, okay? It's a small body which is placed on the surface of the Earth, having mass m. Here is Earth, okay? The center of the Earth. The distance between small body xyz maybe and Earth is distance r. It's Earth. Okay, so according to Newton's law of gravitation, its force becomes to be G m1 m2 by d square. Okay, now there are two bodies. One is a Earth body, the body which is placed on the surface of the Earth. It's supposed to be a mass of the Earth. Now, dear students, the body exerts force just like Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, but the body is having under gravity, so this force may be mg. Instead of a, we replace this value of g. So when these two forces are equal, then the body is going to stay on the surface of the Earth. So by equating 1 and 2, may write as mg g m1 m2 by d square. So dear students, m1 is small body, m2 mass of the Earth, is the mass of the Earth. So when you can replace these two values here, you see mg g m me by d. D is the distance between two bodies. It's the center of the Earth, so it's replaced as r. R is called the radius of the Earth, which is r square. So m cancel both sides, cancel it. So you see, by cross multiplied, g r square. So here you can calculate mass of Earth by dividing gravitational constant. So if somebody asks that how you can calculate the mass of Earth, by this formula, g is called acceleration due to gravity because body is under gravity, r radius of the Earth, and g is a gravitational constant. I hope everybody should know what are the values. G becomes to be 10 meter per second square, radius of Earth 6.4 10 power plus 6 meter, and capital G 6.673 10 is power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So when you can substitute all these value in above equation number 3 to get what to get, so mass of the Earth can be calculated. 10 6.4 10 is power 6. You know, circumference can be calculated by great scientist Al-Biruni. So with the help of that, you can calculate the radius of Earth. So that value is very very close to the nowadays. आजकल जो हमने value calculate की है, इससे very approximate है. 6.673 10 is power minus 11. You can calculate it by using calculator, by opening the square and so on. So you can get it mass of the earth 6.0 or something force 10 raised power 24 kg. So I hope you can calculate the mass of the earth by applying this formula. G gravitational constant है, simple acceleration due to gravity है, R radius of the earth है, G gravitational constant है. So when you substitute all these value G, R and capital G, substitute in this formula, so you will get mass of the earth. So my dear students, in this topic I just summarize it, how to find the mass of earth. Just like everybody should know what is mass. Mass comprising number of particle, or you can say any body having mass mean quantity of matter in a body. So all number of things are exposed as a mass. So mass of earth can be calculated by Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. I hope you should understand how to calculate the mass of the earth by using this formula. Thank you. Take a screenshot of this.